The farm has been around since 2013, and so this is their 5th season being open. They started off with just a small corn maze, which now I guess would be the mini maze, and then they turned it into what it is now. And so the maze, out there you have the maze, the pig races, we have concessions, we have all different types of pumpkins.
I had so much fun today at the Lone Star Pumpkin Patch with my family. We took pictures with the different colors of pumpkins and in the corn maze, and we got to pick out a pumpkin from all of the varieties that they had to offer.